Hi everyone, I am Dr. Ozlem Biçer from Istanbul, from Turkey. I have a great news for you. Are you ready? This time, one of the most successful women of their transplantation society, my dear colleague, Dr. Marta Zollinger, is preparing an extraordinary workshop for all of us. Afro Hair Transplantation Workshop in Salvador, in Brazil, on 12 to 15 October. You know, Afro Hair has some differences. Afro Hair has some tricks. We are going to share all of our experiences in some presentations, in some live hair transplantations. Although you are the beginner, although you are the trainer, please join us. All of us, we are going to update our knowledges, we are going to share our experiences, we are going to train each other, we are going to enjoy all together. Look forward to see you there.